How to replacing the lock screen file on Mac. Are you trying to change the lock screen on your Mac? It is a relatively easy process, whether you use a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air, or a Mac desktop. You can change your lock screen image by updating your desktop image, or you can go into your Mac's files to change the lock screen image specifically. This video guide offers everything you need to know about changing the lock screen on your Mac. Step 1. Locate the image you want to set as your lock screen. Ensure the picture is saved to your computer. Step 2. Open the image in Preview. Double-click to open the file. If Preview is not your default image viewer, right-click the file and select Open with Preview. Step 3. Double-click the image's name. You will see the file name atop the Preview window. Double-click to edit it. Step 4. Rename the file lockscreen.png. Be sure to enter the file name exactly as written. Step 5. Open Finder Mac Finder. It is represented by a blue and white smiley face on the dock. Step 6. Navigate to the Desktop Pictures folder. The easiest way to get there is to click Go in the top toolbar and select Go to Folder. Then, type /library/caches and click Go. Finally, double-click Desktop Pictures. Step 7. Double-click to open the folder whose title is a series of numbers and letters. The exact combination of characters differs between each Mac computer. Step 8. Replace the lockscreen.png file. Drag and drop your saved image onto the file currently labeled lockscreen.png to replace it. Step 9. Restart your Mac. When it boots back up, you will see your new image as the lock screen. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.